Everybody, Scott Carson with WeCloseNotes.com, and I want to invite you out to a very special event we're doing July 26th to the 28th. What event is this that I'm talking about? It is Note Camp Commercial. It's the commercial note boot camp you've been looking for, where we'll be focused on how to actually dive into the commercial note investing space. I'm honored to bring together an amazing, actually not just all-star, Hall of Fame lineup of commercial real estate investors focused on apartments, land, mixed use, self-storage, industrial. I'm actually bringing in asset managers from banks. I'm bringing in commercial real estate investors who were on the special asset side of the bank. So we're really excited about this. As far as I know, nobody is taking the time to teach commercial notes out there at all. Yes, we have a ton of residential real estate investors, but everybody's looking to take that next step in their business. And many people don't realize I cut my teeth the first few years in the note space on commercial notes. And it's starting to look really exciting out there as the market is starting to turn a little bit. So if you're looking to take your business to the next level, you're looking to dive into a specific style of commercial real estate, whether it is, like I said, mixed use, apartments, raw land, mobile home parks. We've got some amazing people coming, hotels, motels. We've got some experts on that as well coming in. Really excited. Like I said, 3-day event, July 26th to the 28th. You can go to notecamp.live to get your tickets, and we'll be honored to have you join us for 3 days. It's an online event, so no need to travel, no need to stay at a hotel. You can watch from the comfort of your own home, office, or even cell phone. And you have opportunity to ask questions of all of our experts. Yes, the replays are included. We've got some other special bonuses that we're throwing in as well for those that sign up. But this is a very special event, so mark your calendars, July 26, 27, 28. You can get signed up by going to notecamp.live. That's notecamp.live. And that'll take you to the registration links. And we're running different specials all the time between now and the time the class shows up here at the end of July. But would love to have you join us 3 days with amazing commercial real estate investors, several hundred investors out there as well for you to network with. And why would you want to do this? Because everybody wants to take their note and real estate game to the next level. What's the next level? Commercial real estate. So look forward to seeing you there and seeing you on the top, everybody.